Hello and welcome to the free Click&Draw drawing course. Today we will see how to use the vanishing points and how to follow them in order to achieve drawings with more realistic perspectives. The vanishing point basically helps us to achieve perspectives in our drawings from lines that come out from the vanishing point. Here in the video I am using the fog point to make an avenue. This is a quick example of how to use it. It begins by drawing a point on the paper, then lines are drawn from the point to draw what we want to draw. Remember that this is a sketch, so we shouldn't apply too much pressure. I have a video talking about it, I'll leave it up here. In this example I am using the same reference point as in the previous drawing, and as you can see it is not necessary to change the reference point to achieve very different things. Okay, we already saw how to use simple vanishing points, but there are also vanishing points of more than one vanishing point. For example, here I am drawing a simple bathroom using 2 vanishing points. Like and subscribe if you like this type of content. Here's another example of multiple vanishing points being applied to a drawing. Then you can paint them using my videos of the free drawing course. I'll leave the playlist in the description of this video. So far so good, but how can I find where the vanishing points come from? It's simple, but first we'll create a cube from 2 vanishing points. Once the cube is drawn, erase the lines I made from the vanishing points to show you how to find them. It's easy, all you have to do is follow the paths of the drawing until 2 or more lines intersect as I do in the video. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video and it helped you. Bye and see you next time.